We are from the Bionic program and we are going to explain about how to use SORIS line personal automation. First, you need to go to our website at bionicprogram.com and then log in with your account, go to download page, and then you will find the newest installer from here. Click it to download, and after that you can start to install it. Just click next and then install and wait until it's done. After that, the application will automatically start. Okay, now it started. First thing first, before we begin to broadcast some message, we need to add a line account. Open the line account tab and then click add line account. After that, fill up your login information and then click OK. You can fill the proxy information if you are going to use proxy. Otherwise, it's not necessary. Click OK. And then your account will initialize. Okay, in your first ad, you need to verify the line login. Go to your smartphone and then open the line application. They will ask you the code from here. Enter it. 4 7 8 3 1 0. Click verify in your phone. Okay, after that just click, if you're done with that, you just click OK here and then wait until it says ready to be used. Ready to use. Sometimes it will take longer if your internet is not well, so make sure your internet is fast. Okay, it's now ready to use. After it's ready, you can begin to create a broadcast for all your own account friends. Create new broadcast. Then you can start to plan your message. You can send text or any file in the broadcast. Be careful to not put big file size for broadcast, or it will slow your broadcast. Let's try this. Hello, hope you have a nice day. Okay. Then if you're done with text message, you can click add text message to add it to the list. What is this list? This list is your broadcast message that we will send later. Okay, next we will add some file to be sent. We will send one picture at this time and then click add message. Oh, okay. Okay, so now you have two message, and then after that select your line account target. We will use previous link account, and then you can set the maximum message that will be sent to all your friends. This time we will send to maybe 20 friends. Of course you can set it with 0 to send it to all. Okay, next we can set the schedule or send it now. Let's try first send it now. Okay. And this active checkbox is for marking your broadcast as active or not. So the broadcast will be started now if it's active. Otherwise it will not send. Okay, to that let's click OK and see what will happen. Okay, as you can see here, we see that the broadcasts are working. You can see the progress with the percentage here, or you can check on your Line app, maybe on your smartphone or Line app on your computer. Okay, so let's wait until 100%. Okay, it's done. So now we will check it on the Line app if it's success or not. Now we are using Line desktop app to check it. Okay, great. The message are sent to all 20 friends. Okay, that's it. You can add many broadcasts as much as possible. You can put it on a schedule too. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Bye.